Welcome to today's podcast from Lend Me Your Ears, where we explore practical solutions to your sales problems. Today, we bring a thought-provoking article titled The Power of Apologizing in Sales, originally published on lendmeyorears.co.ke.
There is no shame in saying, "I am sorry." A well-timed apology can save a sale, rebuild trust, and strengthen relationships. Whether you're a salesperson, a business owner, or even a national leader, acknowledging your mistakes is a sign of strength, not weakness. Let's break it down. Mistakes happen. No matter how skilled you are, at some point, you will make a mistake that affects a customer. It could be forgetting an important detail, breaking a promise, delivering the wrong order, or even a company-wide error that impacts many customers. Owning up to these mistakes immediately is crucial. Imagine a scenario in a public transport setting. A passenger tells the conductor, "Let me know when we get to Karen." The conductor forgets, and the passenger realizes they have gone too far. Instead of ignoring it, the conductor says, "I forgot. I'm very sorry." This is a simple apology, but it acknowledges the mistake. Compare this with larger business mistakes, like a debit card taking longer than promised, a defective product reaching the customer, or a medical insurance policy not being activated despite full payment. The impact may be greater, but the principle remains. Acknowledging the mistake can make all the difference. A delayed apology can come across as insincere. Without an apology, frustration builds and customers lose trust. Think about this common scenario. A customer is waiting for an order that is delayed. Instead of hearing excuses like, "We are still working on the issue and will update you shortly," imagine the company says, "I am sorry, we have taken much longer than anticipated. Your order was skipped in error. Please give us an extra 15 minutes, and I promise it will be ready." I know this is not what you want to hear, but I'd rather be honest with you. Is this okay? Even if the customer responds with sarcasm, "Do I have a choice?" their anger starts to subside. They feel heard, respected, and valued. That is the power of a sincere apology. Many fear that apologizing will make things worse or drive customers away. But often, the opposite is true. An honest apology shows integrity. If a customer chooses to leave, they may have been looking for an excuse to do so all along. However, most people respond positively to sincerity. Think of a service failure, like a cab not arriving on time despite prepayment. The best response: "I am sorry your cab didn't arrive on time. It was our fault. I have sent another one directly, and it's a premium vehicle at no extra cost to you." Or imagine a restaurant that delivers the wrong order. "We are sorry for the mix-up. Here is your correct order, plus 2 extra slices of pizza on the house." When companies handle mistakes correctly, they don't just recover the sale, they strengthen customer loyalty. Even in leadership, apologies hold weight. The former Tanzanian president once addressed his nation, saying, "I'm sorry, my plan for socialism failed. I take full responsibility for this, and I am resigning as your president." Instead of tarnishing his legacy, this apology elevated his reputation as a statesman with integrity. That said, apologizing should not become a crutch for repeated mistakes. If a company continuously fails and relies on apologies, it loses credibility. As customers, we have all encountered businesses that repeatedly say, "We are sorry," without making meaningful improvements. This erodes trust rather than rebuilding it. Apologizing is not about weakness. It's about strength, accountability, and respect. Whether you are in sales, leadership, or everyday interactions, a well-placed "I am sorry" can turn a negative situation into a positive one. So the next time you find yourself in the wrong, don't hesitate. Own up, apologize, and move forward. Because in the world of sales and in life, saying, "I am sorry" can make all the difference.
Thank you for joining us in this exciting podcast from Lend Me Your Ears. And don't forget to subscribe for more hair-raising insights and practical solutions to your sales problems.